Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today is the second day of the 3 days before Christmas that I'm doing as a collaboration with Rebecca Morgan. She's amazing here on YouTube. She does Project Pan and she has a lot of good updates. I love that. I love watching her. She's calming, she's simple in the best kind of way, and then when you go to her Instagram, she's really creative with her looks, and also when she's reviewing or doing a video, she's creative with her looks, but I don't see enough tutorials from her, and I was so happy to do this collab with her because she's creative, and I love that. I love that. Not every YouTuber is creative, even when they're creators, when it comes to their makeup. You guys know that I'm more of a simple girl when it comes to makeup. Even doing a full face of glam, I prefer to tone down the colors. So this was a challenge for me. These collaborations that I've been doing, it inspires me to create bolder looks. Every single person that I chose to collaborate with, the people that I wanted to collaborate with, they're different from me, but they also have a few of the same things. They do project planning, they love makeup, they are not consumerism oriented channels, but they appreciate beauty. So it's just something that I wanted to put out there. We have different skin types, different skin tones, different hair color. We're all different, and I love that. I wanted to give you guys something different to look at, not only my face. So before going into the video, just go and check out Rebecca's video. Yesterday we both did another look, so just go and check that out. If you want to see my foundation routine, that's up because I did that on the first day of the 5 days before Thanksgiving. And Too Much Tash, I collaborated with her on that, and she also created her long wearing foundation routine, so you can go and check that out. I leave it link below or someplace on the screen. And without further ado, go just subscribe to Rebecca. If you come from Rebecca's channel, welcome. I hope you can stay. And then if you want to see this makeup look for Christmas, the second look of this series, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for the second look, I have this peachy palette. This is a Sweet Peach Glow, and this is what I have on my face today as a bronzer, blush, and highlighter. And for the eye makeup, I didn't really know what to do, so I decided to go for this Frankie palette. And I will have an update on this Frankie palette that was inspired by the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette soon here on this channel. I was thinking that since the last look was so bold, yesterday's look was so bold, I'm gonna go in with these colors right here and maybe a pop of purple, but I'm not sure yet. If you guys want to see my foundation routine, my long wearing foundation routine, it will be on my collab with Too Much Tash, and it's the first video of my 5 before Thanksgiving makeup looks. That it's just a long wearing foundation routine, and if you have a different skin type than I have, which is a combination skin type, I get oily on my T-zone, then you can check Tash's channel. She has similar skin type from mine, but she lives in a different weather. Keep in mind that you have to be mindful of your skin type when you choose a long wearing foundation routine to watch and to copy, but maybe it will work for you if you tweak it a little bit. So let's just go into the video. So the first shade that I'm gonna grab is this peachy one right here in the center of the two shimmery shades. And this orangey shade is from the Sunrise palette. I don't have the names because I never care about the names when I do a Frankie palette. So I'm gonna use this as my transition. And now, since I want to deepen up everything a little bit more, I'm thinking of going for this one. And I think this one is either from the Green Brown palette or the Biba palette, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm gonna add that to the outer corner. This is sort of like Cocoa Bear from Makeup Geek. I love these types of bricky, reddish, browny shades. And this is the Morphe M506 brush. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade, which is Natasha Denona, and it's from the Hoya palette, the quintet that I bought 2 years ago or more. I love these. I don't know why I never used that eyeshadow, but I think it's one of the cutest eyeshadows, and it's so pigmented and buttery. It's so stunning. And then right away I'm gonna go in with this beautiful one from the Sunrise palette, which is this shade right here, which has a pinky tone to it. And it's a sort of duochrome, and I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. Then with the same small brush and a little bit of the peachy shade that we used first, I'm gonna just blend this part right here to make my eye look bigger. Okay, so now using the peachy shade that we used first, I'm gonna go on my lower lash line. And this brush, I'm thinking about selling it because I never use it. It's a blending brush, but I don't see the point in a blending brush that's so tight. I'm gonna wash it and see, but if not, I will sell it. It's from Makeup Forever. Now to deepen up this lower part, I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade that we use. And I know there's sound all around me, but I have to film this. And a smaller smudging brush, and I'm gonna define my lower lash line. And for my inner corner, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Now I'm gonna go in with the Color Me Beautiful in the shade Amethyst. This is a eyeliner. And I'm gonna line my lower lash line. And on my upper lash line, I'm gonna use the black. I'm gonna go in and put on mascara, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna also do my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so my time was getting away from me because I was cooking lunch. My husband is gonna go on keto, so I was cooking lunch for him. This is the first day that he's gonna do keto. And then I had some people coming to repair the AC, to do some maintenance on it, and the one on my room. So I was just done but not done. So I was thinking about grabbing some of these colors. So the three of them are pink, but they're different pinks. So I'm just gonna see how it goes. The first one that I thought of was this Barbie pink. This is the Melted Matte Too Faced lipstick in the shade 1998. And it's basically, yeah, Barbie pink. So I'm gonna apply this one. I wanted to do bold lips for every day. So let's see how it goes. The lighting is a little bit off, so I'm gonna change it and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm farther away and I look more real, and the color looks more real, like it looks in person. So I love this shade. I'm gonna see if I can put a little bit of Peony on top, which is more of a pinky shade, to make it not as bright, because I like this brightness, but it's not something that I would really go for. Even on a special event, it scares me a little bit. I do it on my clients, but I don't do it on myself. So I'm gonna go for Melted Peony. This is also from Too Faced, and I'm gonna apply a little bit on top just to melt them together. You can see that it tones it down a little bit without removing all the brightness. Hey guys, so that's it for the entire video. I'm happy that I chose a pink to be bolder with, because even though reds are beautiful, and even though yesterday I wore a red, pinks are easier for me to work with. They go more with my personality. They are bold, but they are not as harsh. I love a nude lip. I love a nude lip. For me, using pink is easier. I go for nude lips all the time, and pink used to be my shade, or the colors that I would go to when I would buy makeup. I went through an entire MAC Angel, which is basically a nude pink, but it's more of a pink than a nude. So this used to be a favorite lippy as well, and I bought this one and the nude one, and I used to use Peony way more. So I'm into pinks. I'm way into pinks, and I need to rotate my lip products because I always use the same ones. And I'm happy that I decided to do for 3 days with bold lips for the 3 days before Christmas. So don't forget that before you go, to leave an emoji. Any Christmas emoji would do if you finish and watch the entire video. If you recreate any of my looks, please go and tag me on Instagram. It's at Jordana Vargas F. I will leave it someplace below so that you can go follow me there. I do post mostly in Spanish over there, but you have the translation tool, and if you want me to do posts in English, because I'm an image consultant and everything I do there is style and image related, which is part of my job. If you want to see styling and image tips and all of that, if you want to see them in English, I would love to do that for you guys. I just don't have enough people that watch me over there that speak English. So that's why I do mostly Spanish there, and I do mostly English here on YouTube. Don't forget to let Rebecca know if you are coming from my channel to hers that you just going from my channel, and also subscribe to her. She's amazing, and we both will see you tomorrow with another video. So I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.